everyone, I am Hazel Abisaras, and in this video, I will demonstrate how to create a straight-through Ethernet cable. I will also identify the tools and materials needed, explain step-by-step procedure, and show how to test the cable using a cable tester. Before we begin, here's the outline of our tutorial. First, prepare all the necessary materials and tools: a USB cable, RJ45 connectors, a crimping tool, wire stripper, and cable tester. Next, carefully strip about 1 inch of the cable jacket without damaging the wires inside. Untwist the wire pairs and straighten each wire for easier arrangement. Next, I will cut the ripcord inside the USB cable. Arrange the wires according to the T568P color standard. Trim the wires evenly so they are the same length before inserting them into the connector. Insert the wires into the RJ45 connector and make sure they reach the end while keeping the correct order. Use the crimping tool to securely attach the RJ45 connector to the cable. And now you can see it's already secured. For testing, we will use a cable tester. Finally, use a cable tester to check if all the wire connections are working correctly. The cable has been successfully tested and ready to use. Thank you for watching! The cable has been successfully tested and ready to use. Thank you for watching!